Don't look bad. Let's see if this junk starts. On this episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we pick up a 2012 Kia Sedona. Which should be up here somewhere. Let's see. We're at the Kia Sedona junk right there. Oh, you know, I forgot we can't turn around here. Yeah, it's right there. Forgot we can't turn around. Alright, let's start the junk up, make sure it runs. You missed a spot. What's up, bud? How you doing? Good. ACV?
No, I was Mannheim.
Oh, you're Mannheim. Okay, cool. Mannheim fees are ridiculous, man.
Yeah.
Oh, they're crazy. Don't look bad. Let's see if this junk starts. It's got 325 stickers. It said that the transmission was whining. Man, this looks good. Let's see. Shit. You think we get 25 for this? Or $2 grand? Huh? That means it's a good one. Alright, let's see. Put a tag on, let's go. We're driving my Hoopty 84 Camaro. Well, I'm driving it. That don't look bad. I think that was a good buy. Find out. I know. I think $2,500 for that. If it runs good, I think we're going to ask $2,500 for it. Put some power steering fluid and it's done. Alright, let's see how. Pop the hood.
Runs good, but the transmission does warm.
It want the transmission or power steering?
First, when it so warms up, it slips a little bit.
Alright, let's see. Check the fluid.
This thing's fucking powerful shit. You can't even get off the line without it spinning tires.
Yeah, this has the bigger motor than the earlier ones. Full. Where the hell is the transmission filling this? It might just need some transmission fluid. I don't know if this is sealed or what.
Hmm?
I don't know if it's sealed or what.
It probably, I don't know, you gotta look to see where the dipstick is at.
Does it slip or what's the deal?
When it's first cold, it does slip, slips will take off.
You sure?
Yeah, it'll rev up and then it'll take off.
It probably needs a filter.
Once it warms up, it's good, but the transmission does whine.
That's usually because it needs transmission fluid.
Yeah, but if you can't fill it, how you...
It looks like it's got a new housing for the oil filter. I don't know how the hell do you change the or check the fluid in this junk? Let's see. How do you check transmission fluid on 2012 Kia Sedona? So it looks like it's got a fill plug on the side.
Yeah, but how you check the level?
Let's see. Because if it takes a minute to take off, that's usually it's a little bit low in fluid.
Only when it's cold. When it warms up, it's fine. Now it dries fine, but you do hear the transmission whine.
That usually means the power transmission fluid needs to be topped off. I don't know where the hell it should be on this side. It's got an air filter thing on it. Yeah, stop that. I'm not gonna screw with it. Let's see. Interior's nice.
Yeah, but I don't think it's 2500.
Nah, $19.99. Blow it out. Just, I'll put in the ad. What do you? Don't put nothing on it. Well, you gotta sell some. I don't give a shit. You're the one that's gotta sell it. But it's clean. $19.99. Just tell them it takes. Just let it warm up for about 5 minutes. It probably needs a transmission filter change. No check engine lights, so it's fine. $2,000. Blow it out. Get rid of it. All right. Did you eat already? All right. Come on. Let's go take a ride and get something to eat. You're like a little girl. All right, guys. There you go. $500 Kia Sedona. You can't beat that $500. Get $2,000 for it. All right. Like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Watch my old videos, and let me know what you think about this. All right.